Good morning, ma'am. Today my topic is nursing care of elderly. Geriatric nursing. Geriatric nursing is the specialty that concerns itself with the provision of nursing services to geriatric or aged individuals. It is defined as the specialized nursing care of the older adults that occur in any setting in which nurse use knowledge, expertise and caring abilities to promote optimal functioning. Concept and theory of aging. Biological theories. Genetic theories, non-genetic theories. Genetic theories, gene theory, somatic theory, error theory, cellular aging theory. Non-genetic theory, free radical theory, autoimmune theory, cross-link theory, wear and tear theory. Psychosocial theories, disengagement theory, activity theory, continuity theory, adjustment theory. Biological theories of aging. Biological theories attempt to explain physical aging as an involuntary process which eventually lead to cumulative changes in cells, tissues and fluid. Intrinsic biological theory. Intrinsic biological theory maintain that aging changes arise from internal predetermined causes. Extrinsic biological theory. Extrinsic biological theory maintain that environmental factors lead to structural alteration, which is turn cause degenerative changes. Free radical theory emphasize the mechanism of oxygen use at the cellular level. Free radicals are molecules with an extracellular charge. This charge create a reaction that alert the structure or function of the cell membrane. Increased unstable free radicals produce harmful effects to biological systems such as chromosomal changes, pigment accumulation, and collagen alternation. The cross-link theory and connective tissue theory asserts that molecules of collagen and elastin, connective tissue components from bonds that increase cell rigidity. Cross linkage is thought to result from chemical reaction that create a chemical bond between normally separate molecules in the body. Autoimmune theory. An aging immune system is less stable to distinguish body cells from foreign cells. As a result, it begins to attack and destroy body cells as if they were foreign. This theory possesses that decrease in immune function may result in an increase in the autoimmune response, causing the body to produce antibodies that attack itself. Wear and tear theory. Body cells, structures and functions wear out or are overused through exposure to internal and external stressor, repeated injury or overuse. Internal and external stressor include trauma, chemicals and buildup of naturally occurring waste. Effect from the residual damage accumulate, the body can no longer resist stress and death occurs. Error theory. Error theory focus on the phenomena of decreased bonding of protein cells that occur spontaneously or in response to stressor such as radiations. This stressor result in errors in the synthesis of RNA and DNA and produce cell with impaired function. Somatic mutation theory. This theory suggests that cell exposed to chemical or radiation result in alteration within the DNA molecules. Mutation results from this alternation accumulate over time and become more evident with age and increasing cellular impairment. DNA damage theory. Aging is caused by accumulated damage to DNA, which is turn inhibit cell ability to function and express the appropriate genes. This leads to cell death and overall aging of the organisms. Programmed cellular aging theory suggests that aging may be result of an impairment of the cell in translating necessary RNA as a result of increased turnoffs of DNA. In other words, the transcription of this message into functional protein may be restricted in older people. Some segments of DNA become depleted with advancing age so that DNA transcription is restricted. Psychosocial theory of aging. Psychosocial theory of aging attempt to explain age related changes in cognitive function such as intelligence, memory, learning, and problem solving. Disengagement theory. This theory states that aging people withdraw from customary roles and engage in more introspective, self-focused activity. This theory includes four basic components. Aging person and society mutually withdraw from each other. Disengagement is biologically and psychologically intrinsic and inevitable. Disengagement is considered necessary for successful aging. Disengagement is beneficial for older adults and society. Continuity theory. The continuity or developmental theory states that personality remains the same and behavior become more predictable as people age. This theory focuses more personality and individual behavior over time. Activity theory. Successful aging and life satisfaction depend on maintaining high level of activity. According to this perspective, the maintenance of optimal physical, mental, and social activity is necessary for successful aging. This theory also assumes that older adults have the same need as a middle-aged person. Adjustment theory. Adjustment theory defines aging as a series of adjustment to retirement, to grandparenthood, to change in income, to change in social life and marital status, and to potential deterioration in health and well-being. Cognitive aspects of aging. Factor affecting cognition, sensory changes and disease association with age, pain from chronic disease, sleep deprivation, medication side effect, changes in mental functioning, a range of interest and understanding, increase repetitive thoughts and vulnerability to stress, changes in memory, short-term memory loss, which is associated with decreased judgment, insight, and orientation. Gradual memory loss, learning and intelligence. Aging may affect learning, hesitancy in answering questions or repeating information. Intelligence does not decline as on age. Psychological aspects of aging. Retirement, role changes, loneliness, depression, and suicide. Stress and coping in elderly. Common stressors of old age include normal aging changes that impair physical function, activities, and appearance, disabilities, and chronic illness, social and environmental losses of income, roles, and activities, death or illness of significant other, physical and sexual abuse, depression, heavy drinking, or insufficient sleep, social issues such as social defeat or relationship conflict. Some suggestions may help to reduce the stress. Take one task at a time. Be realistic. Medication 5 to 10 minutes of medication can bring some relief. Exercise, hobbies, be flexible and calm. Adopt a healthy lifestyle. Share feeling with family members or friends. Thank you.